My name is Rhianne, and we're coming to the end of this beautiful weekend at the Taste of Tantra. I've been very interested in Tantra for a long time, but had not very comprehensive knowledge. And I was really intrigued, but wasn't sure I could commit to a longer course. So this course was absolutely perfect for me because it was a very comprehensive coverage of the disparate branches of Tantra. So I feel like I've come out of this with a lot more confidence and awareness of where I want to take this on my journey. So yeah, I've been very grateful. Content was very comprehensive, covered in a really lovely way. So there wasn't too little knowledge, and there also wasn't too much, so it's overwhelming. It was a very, like an alchemy, really, an alchemy of information, because just enough to keep you informed, but not enough to overwhelm or intimidate. So yeah, the content was perfectly put together. Like, I would definitely recommend this for anybody that has an interest and isn't quite sure that they could commit. This is the best way, because it's short, it's sweet, it's to the point, and it's pragmatic. It gives you tools for your life. So I'm very grateful that this is actually available. So go for it, guys.